First, make sure you're connected to the internet and have the Zoom app installed on your phone. Open the app and log into your Zoom account. You can use your email, Google, or even Facebook to sign in. Once you're logged in, tap the New Meeting button on the home screen, then tap Start a Meeting. Your meeting will start instantly. You'll see the option to connect audio. Tap Call via device audio so you can speak and hear through your phone. Now your meeting is live. To invite others, tap on the participants icon at the bottom of the screen. Then tap Invite. You'll get multiple options like sending the invite via email, message, or apps. The easiest way? Just tap Copy Invite Link. Now, you can paste and share that Zoom link with anyone via WhatsApp, text, or email. That's it. Your Zoom meeting is up and running, and anyone with the link can now join. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you want more mobile tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.